Hello there, guys. It's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. This project is my game night project. And this particular sample was made by Kimberly Jones. It is using the Remember the Magic paper collection. You can use one pack for this project, but you will have to use different papers. If you want to use the same exact papers that she used here, you will need two. So do you guys remember this project? This is the game night game board project. So the game board comes in this really fabulous box that you see right here. Let me push out a little bit. Oh, that's in. So let me show you this. How fab. So it comes in this fabulous box just like any game board would. And she did it up beautifully with a insertion point here, a pocket card, all around the perimeter. Let me show you that. All around the perimeter. And the back. That's what she did for the back. Now let's open it. So you open it. And there's a game board inside, literally a game board. Of course, you guys know I do not look at the projects on my own. I wait to look at the projects with you guys. So that's why it's a mess. This is how it came in the mail. So let me put these back. There's instructions for these cards that she made. So I will, if you purchase the game night tutorial, you will get access to these. Here's the money. This is pretty freaking amazing. She made a spinner with the just for fun with the 6x6 printout. There's dice in here. There's little game pieces. If you Google game pieces, you will find all sorts of them. This is just one of those pieces that, you know, you get in a game board, those divider pieces. But she made one of the inserts from the Foto Folio Max. She made the mini version. Look at this, how freaking fabulous the whole inside of this is. So this tray comes out. Look at the inside of that. Just like a game board, guys. Just like a game board. Look at that, how fabulous. And this one, this was really smart. I didn't think about that, but she put, I'll show you this later. So that goes under there. And the money, look at that, how fabulous. Look at that. And it matches the paper. You have 1s, 5s. She did some cute little, these types of cards. Love it. Look at how cute. Kimberly, these are fabulous. Just like a game board. And then this goes like this. And I'm sure these cards can possibly go here. And I'm not getting the money right. I'm just sticking it in there. I didn't separate it properly by amount. And of course, you can put pictures on the backs of these cards. You can do whatever you want, as much as you want or as little as you want. And let me put this to the side. Now for the photos, how cute would this look on anyone's table? I mean, seriously. For the photos, so it opens up just like a game board, guys. Just like a game board. So let me move this around so you guys can see. So if you go, I can't fit the whole thing in there, but every station has a pocket where you can put your photos, or you can put it around the game board. Of course, she's maximizing the paper, showing off the paper as much as possible, because that's the point of making samples. So look at how fun. Let me take out all these pieces so you can see. So over here, we've got a pocket card. So these are pockets. And some of these over here are pockets as well. There are no pockets in the fold, so you have to be careful. Okay, I can't remember when I made this project, but it's been a while. But it is so freaking fabulous that I forgot about this project, Kimberly. Thank you so much for bringing it back to life. I completely forgot about this project. It is really, really cute. I'm going to flip out, keep on flipping so you guys can see all of them. So remember, these are pockets for photo mats and whatever goodies you want to put in here. So I made this in 2013. I love the way she decorated this here. Really gorgeous, guys. Super, super gorgeous. And you can put this out on your table. You can put the pieces out and it's just beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. So thank you, Kimberly. It is gorgeous. Let me show you the back of it so you can see the matting. So just like a game board, guys. That's where I got the idea from a game board. And then you fold and you fold just like a game board and you put it all in the box. I didn't put this back, obviously. This is such a fun addition to showcase my paper collection. Thank you so much. That was so wonderful. I love it. And then, of course, the embellishments, the little ears. So let's look at the insert that she made. Remember, this is from the Foto Folio Max. If you have the Foto Folio Max, you should have this. Game night is in Digital Kit Club 9. So this is the book that's in the gusseted box of the Foto Folio Max. Look at how gorgeous this is. Oh my goodness. She's got lots of photo mats in here already. Look at that matting, guys. Oh my gosh. Love, love, love. Look at that matting. That is beautiful. This has a slit right here. And then I love this pocket here. Oh, that goes in there. You can put photos in here that's magnetized, and then back here we've got room for more photos. You can put several of these back here. And then look at this matting, guys. Oh my gosh. I'm going to have to start opening the project so I can organize everything. But I love to be surprised like you guys. It's so much fun to wait, to look at the project with you guys together so I could be wowed just like you guys. There's a little insertion point here, guys, if you want to do a photo here. This is all matting back here. How beautiful. So we take your photos out, you see that beautiful paper. Remember the magic. You can get this in my shop right now. Here's that center pocket we made. For those of you that joined me for National Scrapbook Day and at PETA Fest 2019, this is what we made. Look. Love, 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 love. Insertion point. How fun is that? So this is a fun thing right here. So instead of a signature cut, she put this little band here, and that's your insertion point, guys. That's fun. I have to say that's different. Thank you, darling. And that goes in there. And then look at this matting. Is this not amazing? And then over here, look at this, how fabulous. These are for, the way these pockets work is your photo mat or whatever you put in there actually keep these closed here. The matting is gorgeous. Isn't this paper so, so, so much fun? Look at this, guys, how beautiful this is. Isn't this a fantastic project? This project, game night, definitely did not get enough exposure. All right, so I'm going to put these back in the box, and then I'll organize it later. But this was an absolute treat, and I thank you so much for making this project. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What a treat. Isn't this a treat, guys? So this goes under here. going to put all these goodies on here as well. And then it just keeps everything nice and tighty. Whoopsie, whoopsie. Oh, this little piece doesn't go under there, I guess. Look at how cute. And that's what it looks like. And then you put your game board on top. And then your lid. And it is a phenomenal, phenomenal piece, guys. Look at this. This would be an amazing wedding gift. Yes, absolutely. Seriously, an amazing wedding gift. And so unique. You would be the hit, babe. The hit of the wedding. There will be no gift better than this gift on a registry. This is gorgeous. All right, guys, I'm done. So how many of you love the game night project? Thank you, Kimberly, for the revival. The box is roughly 11.5 inches square. Give or take 1/8 of an inch or two. Look at how pretty. Isn't it beautiful? Oh my gosh. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.